Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, and have a wonderful blessed day. This is Mukarrab Warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Again, I am here with new and interesting video. We create purely educational and informative videos. Uh, our aim is to educate you, share and transfer our knowledge and experience with all you guys. Today, I show you how you can repair this Kenwood VHF FM Repeater model TK R750. This is a very good model of Kenwood Repeater, and I show you how you can repair this. And before starting the video, to support and appreciate our effort, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Now you can follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok also. So before wasting that time, uh, must time to start the video. Let's come to the video. And this is the front panel of this repeater. As you can see, here is the speaker along with a small display, TX and busy light. Here you can see, and also volume and on off button is here, as you can see. Now I show you the circuit. This is the transmitter section of this machine. As you can see here, these are the RF power transistors. Look this is the transmitter section, as you can see here. And now I show you the receiver area of this repeater. And here is the receiver section of this repeater, and the problem was here. These two CF replaced and changed because these two CF was short and receiver was not working, and at first this repeater was totally dead. And I repaired this earlier, and now I show you how you can completely fix this repeater into case. Look this. Now at first we install this fan because this was burned earlier. So at first we install this fan into this machine at here. You can see the space of this fan here. If I can show you in a close look. Here is the space for this fan. Look this, like this. You can insert this fan here like this. So this was burned, and now look this, the wire of this fan. And now we install this first here, and I show you how you can do this. And now I show you how you can solder these two wires, the 2 points here on the fan. On the right side, as you can see, this one is the positive, tin these two wires, and now on on the right side, this one is the positive point of this fan. Solder this wire here positive, and the second one, this is the negative of this fan here at this side, as you can see here. This check again. Now these 2 points are soldered, and clean these 2 points and check if any shortage. You can check this with the glass if any shortage there. No, this is perfectly alright, as you can see. And now we insert this fan here. Look this. But okay, fine, good. Now I show you. Look this. In this place, this fan is, you can insert here like this, and now you can solder these 2 points, these 2 wires here, as you can see. I show you. Must use heat shrink sleeve. This is heat shrink sleeve. Look this. Now you can solder these 2 wires, and carefully positive with the positive one and negative is the negative one. You can solder, and before again these wires and solder. Look this. Now all 4 wires are soldered. Now attach these 2 wires. This is the positive one. Solder these 2 carefully and make sure these 2 wires connect. These 2 wires are ready now, and now fix this fan here and tight the screws of this fan. Look this here. Now we fix these 2 screws to fix the fan. Tight both screws to fix this fan. Now this is fixed, as you can see. These 2 screws are fixed now. Put this here, and now I show you. Now this is the power jack of this repeater, and insert this here at this place. If you can see here, push this, and now this is ready to use. We powered this connect this repeater with the power supply, and I show you the display and working of this repeater. Now power supply is on. Now you can see on the digital multimeter, as you can see here, 13.7 volts shown. Now the power is on, and I show you how you can check this repeater and show you the display of this repeater. Look this. This is the face of this repeater, as you can see, and I push this power switch. Now this repeater is on, and you can see on the display channel number 1 is shown, and this is the volume switch of this, and put this here. And now we check this repeater on the radios, and also check the power of this radio, how much output power of this radio, is it fine or not. As you can see, I connect this repeater with the RF power and frequency meter. Now we measure the output power and the frequency. Now I am pressing the PTT switch. Look this. Here are frequency, you can see on the upper side, and at the lower side you can see the output power of this repeater, 31 point something. Now so this is working. The transmitter area is now working fine. Now we check the working of this repeater through UV5R and UV82 using without antenna. Look this. Test call, test call. Test call, test call. Test call, test call. Now you can very clear voice you can hear. Hello, test call, test call. Sound quality is very good. As you can hear, the sound quality is very good of this repeater. So now I show you how you can fix this repeater with the casing of this repeater. I show you. Now you can see this is the receiver board, and this is the receiver board of this repeater. As you can see here are some problems, and I removed. You can see this is the receiver board of this repeater, and these two I changed. These two. Now we fix this board again in this repeater machine. Again we fix this here. And I show you how you can fix this. Look this. Put this here like this. So now insert this jack here, and this one is here. This is RX jack. Put this here and press this here. This is, and again look this at this wire. This is, you can see here, you can see, if I can show you the carbon, you can see here on the tip, and must clean these two sides and remove the carbon. Must these two sides, both sides, clean and remove the carbon first. And now we fix this TX jack here and here, TX out from here and TX in this board here at this place. Now we fix this jack on the both side and press this. Now check this again. Now press again. Okay. Now this is ready, and fix this clip here. Now this is fixed, and tight all the screws. Must use the tweezer for these screws. Now all the screws tighten and fix, and this board is completely fixed now. And again check and on this radio again. Now I show you again the working of this repeater with this.
Frequency mode.
As you can see here, testing, test call, because I am using without antenna. Now just a little bit testing, test call. Now this repeater is perfectly alright and ready, and I show you once again the reception of this repeater. Look this. Test call, test call, test call, test call, test call 1, 2, 3. Now the voice is crystal clear of this repeater now. Now this is ready to use. And now I show you how you can fix this repeater in the casing, original casing of this repeater. Look at this. At first fix these two covers like this. This one is here and this one is here, as you can see this, and tight all the screws here. These are the screws of this. Now we tight all the screws here, and then we fix this into the casing of this repeater. Now all the screws, as you can see, are fixed now, and now we fix this transceiver in the main casing of the repeater. Now this is the main casing of this repeater, as you can see, like this, and now we fix this repeater transceiver in this casing. Look this. Put this here. Like this. Now this is fixed on his place, and check all the screws in the line and all the screws in the straight line. Now we fix these screws first. Look this. So this transceiver is fixed with the casing with 6 bolts. 6 bolts here and 3 on the both sides, as you can see. Fix this all screws with the help of screwdriver. Now all the 6 screws are fixed and tight, and now look, this radio is fixed in the main casing. Now we fix the upper cover of this repeater. I show you. Look this. So this is the upper cover of this repeater, as you can see. Look this. So we fix this cover here with all the screws, as you can see, and I show you after fixing all the screws on this body cover. Now all the screws are fixed and tight. Now we fix this front panel. Look this. This is the front panel of this repeater. Now we fix this, and I show you how you can fix this front panel with this. So this is the front case of this, as you can see. Put this here. Like this, and fix all the screws here, as you can see. Here are, this is the fix with these screws. Look this, here this type of screws here. I show you. How you can fix this. Now, as you can see, I have fixed all the screws.